Hi everyone, in this week tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the starter reward or group reward in Fish It, perfect for brand new players who don't have enough coins to buy their first route. You can claim this reward at Fisherman Island, right next to the rat shops. Just tap on reward and then just tap verify like this. But before you verify, you must do two things outside the game. First, on the main before entering the game, over here, just tap on the game, just scroll down and then just like the game like this, and then second, just scroll down again until you find developer, this one, and then just tap on it, and then just tap on join community. On my screen it says view community because I already joined. And then once you have liked the game and join the community, just go back to the game and then return to tap the starter rewards and hit verify. And okay, that's it. Your free toy route and paid are now ready to use. Perfect for getting started without spending any coins. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.